April from Weihai Bungalow International. Today I'm going to introduce you the Float Tube 2026. The float tube comes with one carton, one backpack, a hand pump, and a repair kit, and a pair of oar, a rod rest, and fishing pad. How do we go into the bungalow float tube? You are holding your fishing rod, then you open the bar with one hand, you come inside, you put the fishing rod, and you close it, and then you can hook. Okay. Bungalow bags can slide in. You can slide. When you don't need it, you put it back and you can fish on the side. And if you need something, you can make it back. And you will probably need something and you open. And if you need to prepare something like the hook, you can prepare it here, and it has protections on the side so it will not fall into the water. And you can also have something here. We also have a simple version of this bag. You can open, it's only one layer. And it also can be changed to the eBay bags. You just need to unhook it. You can take it off. And with the same system, you can also put an eBay bag. Okay. Now let's take a look of the seat. As you can see, there's a curve here. So these parts can support our waist, and it will help you sit for a long time and very comfortable. Okay everyone, that's all for the float tube. If you have any more questions, please let me know.